tea. Camellia sinensis. Its family is Thalassae and its vernacular name is chai. Actually, it is a non-alcoholic beverages which is consumed by the half of the world population. It was firstly grown by China, and we can say China and India are the native home of tea. Okay, in India there is Thalassae, that is wild tea plant recorded in the mountain region of Assam. So tea is grown in Ceylon, India, Indonesia, East Africa, Brazil, Peru, Argentina, and in India, in Assam, West Bengal, and some other region like Nilgiri, Kerala, Karnataka, Ranchi, Kumnan, and Kangra. Now we will talk about its botanical description. So it is a evergreen perennial shrub. It is a small tree. Now it attains a height of 9 to 15 meter natural condition. And bushes are pruned back to encourage maximum leaf production. It is simple, elective to leathery, coriaceous and serrated leaves. Young leaves are visited with numerous oil glands that impart characteristic fragrance and aroma. Now, white and pinkish fragrant flower borne in the leaf axil either singly or group of 2 or 4. Fruit is 1 to 4 shelled, general trilocular body capsule with 1 brown seeds of 1 to 1.25 diameter in each locule. Now, there are 2 varieties of tea, China tea and Assam tea. Now, what are the difference between the two? It would ask in the exam. So, China tea is a slow growing and Assam tea is quick growing. You have to make a difference in the tabular form. So, it is a slow growing, it is a quick growing. It is 1.22 to 2.74 meter tall. It is 6.1 to 18.3 tall. Now it is dark green with flattened surface. It is pale green with glossy and bullet upper surface. Leaves are 4 to 7 centimeter long, pointed upwards, and leaves are larger, that is 15 to 30 centimeter long, pointed towards downward. Now, so idea of cultivation. It is grown in tropical and subtropical regions, annual rainfall of 100 to 150 centimeter with 24 to 30 degrees Celsius temperature. Dry period are not suitable. Now, when shade is provided, bushes grow faster. To provide shade, leguminous trees like Abacia, Procera, Urgenesis are planted in the tea gardens. In addition to providing shade, these trees also provide nutrients to the tea plant. Now, in northern India, leaves are plucked 3 to 4 times a year, but in winter, plucking is not done. In South India, plucking is continued throughout the year. It is done at weekly or fortnightly intervals. Quality of tea depend upon the age of the leaf. Terminal bud is valued in trade. It is also called golden tips. So, there are different grade of teas are smallest leaf form, orange pioche grade, second leaf form, pioche grade, Third leaf from Pyoke Shokang. Fourth leaf is Shokang, that is least economic value. And fifth is Kongyu grade of tea. Now, there are four commercial categories of tea: black, green, semi-fermented, and brick. The black is fermented and green is no unfermented. That's why green tea is healthiest of any tea. Now we will do the processing of tea. It is bittering, rolling, fermentation, drying, grading, and sorting. Now, black tea is produced in Indian Sri Lanka. Withering. How the withering is done? Harvested leaves are sent to the factories where they are withered for 24 hours on a well-ventilated shelves or racks. Leaves that are exposed to sun and warm air passed over in room with open sides, and withering actually lower the water content of the leaves and leaves become soft and placid. Now, withered leaves are sent to the rolling machine where machine break the cells of leaf and juices and enzymes are released, where whole mass of leaves get smeared with them to facilitate fermentation. Polyphenol cold catechins, they are used to oxidized into caffiene and are fusion in the presence of enzyme polyphenol oxidase. They give taste, richness, color to the tea. After the tea has been rolled, they are going for the fermentation process. So here they are spread into coil and moist fermentation room. They are allowed to 2 to 4 hours. They change green to reddish coppery color and develop pleasing aroma. After fermentation is done, they are sent to the drying and firing. Fermented leaves are conveyed in a air chamber at 55 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes and for the end at a wire 85 to 90 degrees Celsius. Leaves after firing contain moisture 3 to 4% only. After the tea has been fired, after sorting, they are graded with different grades of tea come from sorter are worked and packed in plywood chest while lining with aluminium foil and paper. Blending. It is the art by different quality of particular tea brand blend to form a uniform product. Uses of tea. Tea has a quite economic importance in agriculture community. It is the largest it is a non-alcoholic caffeine beverages. Now, tea can also be used in various category. Now, it has caffeine. It can stimulate the nervous system.